Assalamualaikum dear students of class playgroup of the Spirit School Wat Color Saida campus. I hope you all are doing well at home. I am your English teacher and now I will explain to you how to complete the task 3 which we have uploaded on our school's Facebook page. So let's start day 1 of task 3. It says what is first set of phonics. So students, this is our first set of phonics. SATIPN. So students, please take out your Spirit Jolly Phonic English textbook. Turn to your textbook page of letter T. Student, this is letter capital letter T and its sound is T. Firstly, we revise our previous lesson. The story of letter T is the children play a game of tennis in the garden. They hit the ball of racket. Their friends turn their heads from side to side as they watch. The action of letter T. The children imitate watching tennis, turning their heads from side to side and saying t. The formation of t. More words s, a, t, a, t. Here is the song of the t. So students, I will start reading. Okay, read with me. Tree, tent, turtle, tomato, tennis, train, toys, teddy bear, toad. That's all of day 1 of task 3. I hope you found this video helpful. Please share your feedback in the comment section of this video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Assalamualaikum dear students of class playgroup of the Spirit School Wat Color Saida campus. I hope you all are doing well at home. I am your English teacher. And now I will explain to you how to complete the task 3 which we have uploaded on our school's Facebook page. So let's start day 2 of task 3. So students, please take out your English Spirit Jolly Phonics workbook number 1. Turn to your workbook page number 20. So student, this is our workbook page number 20. Which letter is this? Yes, this is letter T sound. T, 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 t. Trace over the letter T with your finger and say the sound. T, t, t. Start from this dot, black dot. Start at the top, down and curve and cross it. T. Tent. Trace the letter. Start from this red dot. Start at the top, down and curve and across it. Next, circle the picture that began with T sound. T. Tomato. Do encircle. T. Train. Do encircle. Okay students, that's all of day 2 task 3. I hope you found this video helpful. Please share your feedback in the comment section of this video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Assalamualaikum dear students of class Playgroup of the Spirit School Rawat Color Saida campus. I hope you all are doing well at home. I am your English teacher. And now I will explain to you how to complete the task 3 which we have uploaded on our school's Facebook page. So let's start day 7 of task 3. It says what is first set of phonics. So students, this is our first set of phonics, SATIPN. So students, take out your English Spirit phonics textbook, turn to your page of letter I. So students, this is our capital letter I. Here is the sound of letter I. A. First, we start from the storyline of letter I. The boy has a new pet mouse which squeaks A. The mouse escapes from her cage and knocks over a bottle of ink. Ink splashes all over the mouse. After that, the boy names his mouse Inky. So students, the reading of A. Ink pot, A. Ink, A. Igloo, A. Inchworm, A. Insects. What the initial letter of insects? Yes, A. Insects. What's the initial letter of igloo? Yes, A. Igloo. What's the initial letter of inchworm? A. Inchworm. What's the initial letter of ink? A. Ink. What's the initial letter of ink pot? A. So students, you can revise this reading many times. The action of letter A is the children wiggle their fingers on the end of their nose like whiskers, saying A. Formation of letter. This is the formation of A. The song of letter A is okay students, blending practice. At the end of your textbook, this is read the rhyming words. In this page, it, it, sit, it, pit, hit, it, knit, it, bit. This is words of letter I, E sound. Okay students, that all for day 7 task 3. I hope you found this video helpful. Please share your feedback in the comment section of this video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Assalamualaikum dear students of class Playgroup of the Spirit School Rawat Color Saida campus. I hope you all are doing well at home. I am your English teacher and now I will explain to you how to complete the task 3 which we have uploaded on our school's Facebook page. So let's start day 12 of task 3. It says what is first set of phonics. So students, first set of phonics, SATIPN, is called first set of phonics. So students, please take out your Spirit Jolly Phonics workbook number 1. Turn to your workbook page number 32. So student, this is our workbook page number 32. Which letter is this? Yes student, this is letter I, capital letter I. Start from this dot, black dot, which is the top line of your workbook. Start from here one by one, slowly and trace all the dot. Go back to the top line and draw a sleeping line. Come from this bottom line and draw another sleeping line. This is capital letter I and this is his sound. Start from the center line of this dot, draw a straight line and make a curl and draw a dot. This is letter I. Trace all the letter I and say I A. That's all for day 12 task 3. I hope you found this video helpful. Please share your feedback in the comment section of this video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.